Okay, so what you're looking at here is some lemon chicken. So it's absolutely delicious. Really, really tasty. Obviously nice and zesty and zingy with the lemon. Nice, beautiful. Let me grab a bit. Fantastic fried chicken. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So in that bowl, I've got 3 cups of chicken breast sliced. No skin, no bone, cut into kind of strips, like so. Now, I'm making quite a lot today. You might want to not do this amount. You could half this if you want. I've got 1 cup here of corn flour or corn starch, which is the same thing. We just call it different things in different countries. 2 teaspoons of ginger powder. We're going to get some black pepper in there and some salt. And you can see I've got my sexy glove on because I'm going to get in there and give this a good mix around. Okay, so in there I've got some oil. We're going to be frying this chicken. You can shallow fry it, deep fry it. I'm going to kind of deep fry it here. So I've got, I don't know, 1 inch or 2 inches of oil in there. I'm using a corn oil. Change that if you want. We're going to get that nice and hot. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to have to batch cook this because we've got too much of it and you don't want to crowd the pan. There's our chicken. We're going to drop it in. It's going to take only like 3 or 4 minutes. It's going to cook really quickly. But like I say, don't crowd the pan up too much, please, because it'll all stick together. And that's not really what we want. So yeah, 3 or 4 minutes. I'm going to have to batch cook the whole lot of this. It's going to take a little while, but you're not going to see that, are you? Because you're on YouTube. Okay, so like I say, that's just 3 or 4 minutes. It's very, very quick. You can see that's beautiful. Out it comes. Set that aside. I'm going to do the rest of my chicken. So there you go, there's your fried chicken ready. Now I seasoned mine with ginger, which I think is really lovely, but you could maybe put some 5 spice or something in there. Let's move on. Okay, let's get this lemon sauce together. So I've just got in there a tablespoon or so of oil. I'm using a corn oil. Change that if you want. Let's drop in half a cup of onion. About a tablespoon of garlic. And maybe just over a tablespoon here of ginger, which I've cut really nice and thin, fresh ginger. We're going to add some salt. We're going to add some black pepper. And as you can see and hear, we're on a high heat. We're going to go for about 3 minutes and we're going to be stirring pretty much all of the time. Now we're going to take half a cup of water, drop that in. I'll be back in 1 minute. That's just 1 minute there. We're now going to add half a cup of lemon juice. And in here I've got some water with some cornstarch, which I've just mixed together, make a little kind of slurry. I'm going to drop that in. It should thicken. Beautiful. That's about right for me. Let's get our chicken. In it goes. Stay on this high heat. Go for like 2 to 3 minutes. You've done it. So I've just put some sesame seeds on the top of mine. If you want, you could put some chopped bell pepper or maybe some green onions or scallions, something like that. Really simple, absolutely delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.